Evening. Today we will discuss complex analysis. So we will start it from basic. Let us consider a polynomial equation x square plus 1 equal to 0. If you will solve this equation, then we will have x equal to square root minus 1. So if you will see carefully this quantity, this is such an amazing quantity. If you will square this quantity, then we will have number minus 1. So this new number, which is not a real number, called an imaginary number, and it is denoted by symbol I. So we can write I equal to square root minus 1. So now if you will square both this side of this quantity, then we will have minus 1. So now we can find the value of I to the power 3, and we can write I to the power 3 equal to I square into I. So this is equal to minus 1 into I. This value is minus I. Similarly, we can find the value of I to the power 4. This is equal to I square into I square. So this value is minus 1 into minus 1, that is equal to 1. So in the same procedure we can find the value of I to the power 5, that is equal to I to the power 6 equal to minus 1, I to the power 7 equal to minus I to the power 8 equal to 1. So now generalizing, we can write I to the power plus minus 4k equal to plus 1. So now see here, if you will put k equal to 1, then we will have I to the power 4, and I to the power 4 value is 1. So we will have I to the power plus minus 4k equal to plus 1. Similarly, I to the power plus minus 4k plus 1 can be written as plus minus I to the power plus minus 4k plus 2 can be written as minus 1 I to the power plus minus 4k plus 3 can be written as minus plus I. So these are some important generalizing formulae we have to remember, where k equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on. So now basing upon this formulae, now let's do some example. Suppose we have question, what is the value of I to the power 100? So we can write I to the power 100 as I to the power 4 into 25. So I to the power 4 into 25, this is in the first form. So the result will be plus 1. Similarly, if the question is find the value of I to the power 99, then we can write this as I to the power 4 into 24 plus 3. Here positive sign we have. So now see here, this quantity is in the form I to the power plus minus 4k plus 3, that is equal to minus plus I. So here we have positive sign, so we will have the result minus I. So now let's discuss about complex number. A complex number is an additive combination of a real and an imaginary number. So we can write mathematically a complex number as z equal to x plus iy, where x is the real part of z and iy is the imaginary part of z. Where both x and y are real numbers. So now see here, if you will take x equal to 0, then z equal to iy. So the complex number z will be purely imaginary. Similarly, if you will take y equal to 0, then z equal to x. So the complex number z is purely real. So now we can safely say that basically all numbers that may be real or complex, all numbers are complex in nature provided the values of x and y are 0 or not.